Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hello everyone, we have Divya Agarwal with us. Happy New Year, Divya.
Happy New Year, Sukarna. How are you? Happy New Year, everybody.
I'm good. So tell us, how did you welcome New Year?
Oh, it was very simple for me. I just spent some time with Varun, and we missed the days how we spent in 2021, and it was good. It was a good year for us, and we're moving forward for the next year, and we are pretty excited.
Fans have been asking a lot, what are your resolutions for 2022?
It's never for me. एक एज तक हमने मजे किए थे ऐसे. Okay, this year, this resolution, that year, that resolution. But I've realized with time that it's not just the new year that you have to, think कि इस साल में अब ये करूँगी, इस साल से ऐसा होगा. For me, it's like a routine resolution that okay, this is something which I've planned since past 2 years and should go on. Something that is very more constant, like genuinely helping people out, making something, giving good to the society, understanding. So all of those things. बाकी जो मेरा है यार सुकन्या, that's so my work. I have to keep doing that. I have to take care of my health. I have to, work harder. So I think it's with everyone.
So on the work front, what's new? Like you did reality show last year, you won the show, then a music video. How's this 2022 looking?
2022 is going to be very interesting because there are some projects that I'm working on and I cannot tell you guys that obviously right now, but then when the time comes, obviously I'll be the first person to jump and tell everybody that okay, this is coming this year, and when I promote it, you all can see how excited I am to promote whatever I do. So I think, yeah, you guys will know.
So tell us, how has life been post Big Boss OTT win? How did life turn around for you?
It has definitely added more. Like it's like a cherry on the top of the cake. It's like what I was already doing, and people appreciated how I played. People saw a different side of me, which I exactly wanted. That people should learn something from the journey. Like I don't take reality shows as a show that हाँ ये करना है, इतना कमाना है, उसके बाद काम करना है, निकल जाना है. It's something that it's that one shot that you get to show your personality, and in that personality, if if these Indian reality shows are actually helping you out and you get inspired, तो फिर तो अच्छी बात है ना. फिर वैसे ही होना चाहिए. तो जर्नी एक शॉर्ट था. इट हैपेंड वेल. आई थिंक सब बहुत खुश है वो जर्नी से. सो आई कीप गेटिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स फॉर दैट, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ कार्टेल and the entire marketing just went up, because obviously when you're in Big Boss and you do something outside, it just blows up. So because of that, I also got recognition to specifically my character. So it complemented in both ways. So it was a win-win situation for me. So it's been great since Big Boss. In terms of my acting career, in terms of my personality, it's been amazing.
Talking about Big Boss, I have to ask you, what about, are you following Big Boss 15? Who is your favorite?
I am.
Are you rooting for any winner?
But I mean, I would tell you guys when the time comes what I feel about who's going to win the show. But then I'm quite happy with Tejasvi's and Omar's journey, and Karan Kundra as well. These three they have always been my favorites. So yeah, but I'm following, but not so much that I only want to talk about the new Big Boss.
But 2 weeks to the finale, who are you rooting for? Any particular favorite?
These three, anyone from these three, I don't mind.
So yeah, on the personal and professional front, 2021 has been quite promising year for you. Right. So what all learnings have you been through so far?
In 2021, when it comes to my work and when it comes to maintaining the kind of work I started in 2021 was focusing more on the content, focusing more on my social media platforms. And there was a time when, in 2020, where in the end of the year, I decided that no, we should have a constant team and we should have a vision, we should have things lined up in a proper manner and a little more organized actually. तो देन फिर मैंने 2021 से मैंने हमारी एक टीम है जिसने पूरे एकदम effortlessly सब अच्छे से हो गया. Everything was done very nicely. The stylists on board, Sohail and Victor, they have been styling me so well. So since 2021, the styling game has really been improved. मुझे तो नहीं अक्कल. I am telling very frankly, it happens always. The only thing I have is carrying those outfits pretty well. Like I give them that much liberty and that trust ke style me anyhow, style me anyway, and that's going to be my challenge, how to carry it. Plus the photographer has done a great job, and also the team that plans the entire content around my social medias, Isha and Bhavika, they are doing a great job. My reels are doing well. My reels actually reach millions, and it's quite organic. Ikshit shoots them, so it's like a team effort, and this team has been carrying out, and we have great plans for 2022 as well, because today's world, social media is something that you really need to manage as much as you're putting so much effort in your acting career or any other jobs or any even if it's a brand, you have a brand, everything has to go really right on social media. So we have been really focusing on that, and फायदा तो हुआ उससे.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you that I have seen like your social media profile has, your style game has evolved a lot, like doing concept photo shoots, and like in the previous times, there have been trolls also,
Yeah.
like on your photos and all. Like as
Right.
a social media influencer, I want to ask you this, like what gives you this confidence that yes, I will post it no matter what?
So it's not a literally, it's not confidence. I'm telling you, it's कोई रियलिटी शो में भी हूँ या मेरी सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल पे भी जो चल रहा है, इट बिकम्स रियली इजी फॉर मी, एंड मैं बिना सोचे समझे आई पोस्ट थिंग्स. लाइक इट इज एज ऑर्गेनिक एज मैं बिल्कुल नहीं सोचती हूँ. तो आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट अ कॉन्फिडेंस, दिस इज एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि भाई तुम कुछ भी करो लाइफ में, there are 50% people who are not going to like it and who won't like it ever, whatever, no matter how good you are. And 50% people are going to love you no matter what, how you dressing, what you eating, where you going, where you sitting. So ye to given hai. So if I go with this funda, then whatever I do is never going to work out. And if I start listening to people, to if I start getting affected with these trolls or these people, तो फिर तो I'll never be able to decide my own path, my own life. So it's been very clear in my head.
Many fans have questions about your wedding with Varun.
God, guys.
Would you like to address them?
Okay. So for once and for all, I think there is, I know there's a lot of excitement when you guys see us together, when you guys see our pictures, especially in the wedding pictures that we took in Akshita's wedding. I know how it feels, because it's not just you guys, it's our families as well who are like, अरे अभी क्या है, अभी कर लो. So I know it's something that you all are waiting for. We all are waiting for. Even Varun and I are waiting for it. But we love to plan a little when it comes to making these kind of decisions. And the planning, what we are looking for right now, we don't see that happening too soon. So it will happen, you all know it will happen. When it will happen, you guys think I'm just gonna stay quiet. I'll be the craziest running around everywhere, so you guys would know.
I mean, in this day and age of social media, all these dating apps and all, how do you and Varun keep your lives so balanced and transparent?
It's pretty simple, it's like as good as your intentions and your goals towards life being as clear as it could. Like as a person, at times, ऐसा नहीं है कि this is the right way of living. I have also been through those times where I'm not sure what holds for me. क्या future होगा, कैसे होगा, who's going to be the partner, who's not going to be the partner. So there have been times like that as well, and now the time is like I know what I'm doing, I know my goal, I know how focused things are in life. So it's just the matter of time. Everybody gets that kind of balance and transparency, and that click needs to happen between two people, and understanding each other's dreams, understanding each other's passion. I think the best thing about me and Varun is we understand each other's passion, and we love to see each other grow in their passion, and that's something really keeps us going. And that companionship is so addictive that it becomes really transparent. Like wherever we go, whatever we do, it's been super transparent, and it's a lovely feeling. कुछ tension नहीं यहाँ वहाँ कोई लफड़ा नहीं. We are just like okay, all sorted. So I think it's pretty good to be transparent. Even in my social media lifestyle, I have been super transparent about whatever I feel in my life and whatever goes on in my life. I never, kind of try and cover things just because it's social media. So everything is connected.
Also, being part of several reality shows, and now the biggest reality show, Big Boss, winner being in your title, does that give you added pressure for upcoming projects?
I don't think so. I think the best part about my lifestyle, the way I've grown up, and the way my journey has been until now, I find it very challenging. I find it interesting. I find that okay, कुछ ना कुछ होते जाता है, and pressure is something that I work best in the pressure. So I would always want that pressure in my life. The only pressure after reality shows I have is to really make a mark on whatever you have done in a reality show, because in a reality show you actually put so much, knowing unknowingly. When you are a part of that show, you actually give a lot to that show, and once you give a lot to the show, you really need to make sure that you've actually put those tags in people's heart ke this was this one person who has really inspired me, or probably who could relate you. So I think that's a beautiful part, and it's no pressure, yaar. I mean, half the people who actually been following me since so many years, they actually know. And when I came out of Big Boss, I have seen people defending that no, we know her, she was like that here in this part of her life, so she has done that. So I think that makes it pretty transparent from the audience point of view as well, that it's been always clear, and this pressure is what I love.
And with fan love growing each day, being under the constant limelight, do you get conscious while stepping out or speaking out in public?
I actually not. The reason being, as I said, that in a reality show, when you're invested in a reality show, especially a reality show which is captive reality, you're 24/7 in front of the camera. There is no way you can pretend. You can pretend for a while, you can pretend for a week, 2 weeks, but looking at the journey, how I was an Ace of Space, that was a captive reality show. Big Boss was a captive reality show. People know me too well, probably more than me and better than me. So when you go out in public, you're sitting with your family or friends somewhere, I think that doesn't give me a pressure at all. And at times aisa bhi hua that I've walked into a cafe and there are some guys and girls sitting and chattering, and then they see me and they just like we exchange talks, and probably aisa bhi ho jata hai ki we start talking about other things also, so very casually, and they have so many questions about these reality shows कि अरे ये scripted होता है क्या? Like they're just sitting next to a table, and we just start a friendly chat. So it is never a filter, never a cover that okay बाहर जाना है तो ये नहीं. So we actually start talking, and I tell them भाई reality show scripted नहीं है, वो लोग ही है जो इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हैं. So it's just that.
Okay. Divya, like you are this constant ball of energy. Do you have your low days and how do you deal with it?
Low days, usually when I'm low and I'm not feeling good, and probably I'm still on the shoot or I'm driving somewhere, I'm sitting at home. I think music quite helps me. Music helps me a lot, and जो मूड होता है, जैसा मूड होता है, उस टाइप का म्यूजिक साथ में बज रहा होता है. So it really, I become that filmy thing. Okay, this is happening in my life. Oh, this is my downtime. Like I keep talking to myself. Okay, this is my downtime. Okay, then now what? Okay, tomorrow will be a new day. Fine. Then I order something for myself, probably some cake or something like that, and I eat and I feel good about it. So one thing is very sure. Whatever you eat, don't be guilty after that. कि अरे यार ये खा लिया अब क्या, this and that, you put on weight and all of that. It's not good, and I've heard it scientifically also. It's not good. So I enjoy what I eat. I listen to good music and probably treat myself. मैं अपने बाथरूम में पूरे कैंडल्स लगा के मैं अच्छे से शावर लेती हूँ, hot shower. So I think that makes me feel a lot better when I'm just low.
I mean, you had told me before entering the Big Boss OTT house that you had lost a lot of weight, and
Yeah.
like right now, what's your fitness regime? How do you stay fit?
Okay, so my fitness is quite simple. Probably 40-45 minutes of any form of cardio. I make sure that I do every day. Probably walking or dancing, or just actually doing the stairs in my building. So I live on the 8th floor. So like I take entire 8th floor. I keep doing that for half an hour. So I think these things make me active. And fitness का मुझे इतना ज़्यादा शौक नहीं है that I want muscles and all. मुझे बहुत बोर होता है weights उठा के you do the same thing again and again. It's quite boring for me. So I make ways where I just keep myself healthy and active. And when I have a project which needs me to look in a certain way, probably then I'll work. And if you see me muscles or with abs, that would be only probably if I get something which needs to be like that, which the character needs to be like that. So I would do that for the character. Otherwise, in my real life and in my normal life, I cannot really lift weights and do all of that. I like fun activities that make you healthy.
I mean, Varun is too much into gym. Like he's a fitness freak. Do you take tips from him?
No, I can never take tips from Varun because Varun is a beast, and the minute I listen to him, so today if he'll make me work out my my biceps with the dumbbells, probably today he would ask me to lift probably 5 kgs, and tomorrow like, okay, so let's go with 15 today, and I'm like, Varun, that's not possible. So it's like for him it's crazy, but when it comes to me, I cannot. He's too much into it, and probably it's good for him. I'm really happy that he does that. I can't catch up to him, but he can't catch up to me on the stretching and the floor exercises. That is something I can pull off.
So that's how you balance each other.
Maybe yes. पता चला वरना दोनों जिम में पड़े हुए 4-4 घंटे दिन के, और बाकी कोई खबर नहीं है मैं आसपास क्या हो रहा है.
Tell us, Divya, इतने सारे reality shows कर लिए. What other reality show do you wish to do?
Yeah, in reality shows, you live like एक दिन उधर का 1 महीने जितना इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. So I think it's nice, but the next reality show, if at all I do, would be Jhalak Dikhla Ja, something like that, based on dancing, because that is one thing that I enjoy so much. And Baki reality show, personality-based reality shows are done. I think I'm good. So yeah.
Okay, Divya, thank you.
Thank you.
Anything you wish to tell your fans?
Thank you so much for always being there, and I know how much you all want to know so much about me, and this was the chance, and we'll keep doing this, Sukarna, probably. I'll see you guys next time. until then, thank you so much for everything. It's been a great year. 2021 was really great, and one of the reasons are you guys. So I love you all. Thank you so much, and thank you, Sukarna.
Thank you, Divya. And
Bye.
everybody stay safe, stay at home, and wear
Yes.
your mask when you're stepping out.
Yes, please. Now that exact routine we have to start following again, and to stay safe as much as possible, guys. All the best,
Thank you
everybody.
so much. Bye.